In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript. To get started, open Descript and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land in the Drive view, which is where you can organize your work. From here, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you've already started editing. Next, click New Project to bring in your media. You can import a video or audio file you already have, or if you're starting from scratch, you can use Descript's built-in recorder to capture your camera, microphone, or even your screen. This makes it a flexible tool whether you're editing a podcast, a talking head video, or a screen recording tutorial. Once your media is added, Descript will automatically transcribe the recording for you. This is one of the platform's biggest advantages, because the transcript becomes the main way you edit your content. Instead of trimming clips the traditional way first, you can work directly with the text. To edit your video, simply highlight any unwanted words, pauses, or full sentences in the transcript. Then press Delete or Backspace. Descript will remove the matching section from the audio or video automatically. This makes editing feel much faster and more intuitive, especially if you prefer working with text. If you want to change the order of your content, you can copy and paste sections of the transcript to rearrange parts of your video. It works a lot like editing a document, which is helpful for quickly restructuring an interview, lesson, or presentation. To clean things up even more, open the Actions menu and choose Remove Filler Words. Descript can detect words like and but it's still a good idea to review the suggested changes before applying them so you stay in control of the final result. After that, you can start adding visuals. Bring in images, B-roll, text, shapes, music, or sound effects to make your project more engaging. You can also use scenes and layouts to control how everything is arranged on screen and give your video a more polished look. If you want on-screen subtitles, open the Captions panel, choose a caption style, and customize it to match your branding or overall video style. To improve your sound, use Studio Sound to reduce background noise and make your voice clearer. Descript also offers other AI tools that can help polish your project further. When you're ready for more detailed adjustments, use the canvas to refine visuals, and switch to the timeline when you need